2014, a research team recorded something under a frozen lake, a sound no machine could explain.
The recording came from Lake Vostok, a subglacial lake buried beneath 4 kilometers of ice.
Scientists drilled carefully to collect data, but their sensors captured a strange audio pattern, rhythmic, almost like breathing.
At first, they thought it was equipment feedback, but then the signal moved, 40 meters below the drill site.
They triangulated again, but the source kept shifting. Something alive was beneath them.
The sound repeated every 47 seconds, and on spectral analysis, its waveform looked eerily like a human vowel.
Anatomical December lays the lost was provided by intent. The file was sealed, renamed Acoustic Event 47-B. NASA archived it, but the audio was missing.
Would you listen if it was found again?